Welcome to the Crypto Nest. Alright, so today we're having a big crash in Ethereum. And why is that? Well, we do have 5-way up. And let me shrink it so it can fit all. Alright, so let's go. So we had a wave 1, we had a very deep to the limit wave 2. This is where I got my I opened the 3x leverage on Bitcoin. And then we had within this third wave, I did some micro counting. So we did the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I count this light third wave in green completed. Then we had this fourth. I honestly thought we would have been doing an A, a B, and a C, but we didn't. I did let you know right away because we had kind of an ABC. I told you maybe this is the end of the correction or maybe not, so we're not sure. Can be completed though, and it was, and once again we had a 1-2. We had a third wave, a fourth, once again very short, and then we had a very explosive fifth wave. So I can count now 5-way up. So now why price got rejected that much? By the way, yesterday I sold. Anyway, if you subscribe to my channel, you do have the notification. So I took my profits here. Why is that? Well, because when I did the micro counting, well, let me see here. So the third wave did reach almost the 1.236. The fifth wave often goes to two levels of fib higher. So even like in this case, it went way and beyond that level. But it is good to know when it's time to take some profits. Now, I was tired, honestly, to be really honest, and I didn't feel playing around. I could have really take 50% off and put a sell stop limit if it goes below that level, and put another sell order at 21. 21,337. Maybe sell 25%, and if it goes there, it goes, otherwise not. But I am not, I did great, honestly. So I feel mission accomplished. Do I feel I missed this part? Yeah, well, we cannot be always. You will now. It's really rare that we are going to sell to the top. So considering from where I bought it, which was here, I'm very comfortable. Now, let's do a fib now, retracement for all this movement. So we can call all that a wave 1 now. And now this is a sharp correction, honestly, and no structure at all. So you can see now that we have so much room to go. So in one shot, we join the 0.236. Now we don't want this wave 2 to be too sharp. So ideally, if we can have an A here, a B, and a C would be great. We don't want it too deep once again. Anyway, Bitcoin is really rare. Here we were very lucky that it gave us a very deep wave 2. Actually, now I can remove a little bit. Once again, also, price tend to go and revisit the previous wave 4. So in the smaller count, let me relabel that, and I'm going to put it in red. I'm going to put it in red for a moment. I think 0.236 I can remove. Now this is going to be good also for I think that also I can remove now. This. All right, cleaner chart. We don't need all these details now. Let me go and check the RSI now. Let's say first of all on the 4 hours. You see we were overbought, but what really make it count is really the 5-way up. We were due for a correction. And if I go on a daily, I don't think it should have moved much. Yeah, in fact, it didn't. Now we're going to, I'm expecting a bigger pullback now. So let me go back on the 1 hour, was I? Let me take back the full screen. So just talking percentage from the current level, I mean between 3.3 and 2.3 about drop. It's very reasonable and normal. So 15,815 would be kind of actually between this 115,815 and 117,000 would be the ideal retracement for this possible bigger wave 2. It can be shallower, it can be deeper. We do have the MA50 eventually going to join the party. By the time it does that, it should be about midway between the 0.786 and the 0.618. And that's pretty much all I wanted to share with you guys on Bitcoin. Alright, so hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and have a good day. Bye!